So now I'm putting my first motif on. I'm just pressing it lightly and then squeezing more glue on top, and now we're going to just spread that glue around to coat the whole piece and smooth it out. Now the glue will soak into the paper and soften it, and that will also help to make the motif contour to the egg shape. And then the next one you're going to put on overlapping slightly. Now if you haven't tea stained your eggs, you'll have to be more careful to cover the whole egg, because you won't want white showing through on this nice sepia looking print. And continue around. At the end you want to find something small, maybe a small leaf or something that will cover where you've been holding the two ends. So you'll be able to, let me finish this one, place your egg on our little stand. Whoops. It sits there very delicately, so you can't push and put a lot of pressure on it while it's on the stand, but you can work with it gently. And you can cover it like this. If you need to pick up your egg while it's very gluey here and you want to be holding it in these sections, make sure that you have very moistened fingers. Make sure there's a lot of glue on your fingers, and you can wipe off the excess later, but you want to have nice gluey fingers while you're picking it up. Okay, now our egg is totally coated. My fingers are rather gluey right now, but the white glue washes right off. I'm just going to set that up on my pins to dry. You want to make sure that there's no big globs. Just wipe away any huge excesses so that you don't have any dripping. And after it sits for a while, you'll look, and there may be some drips on the cardboard, and so you can just very carefully smooth away where it's dripping from, so you don't have a big glob there.